All right, let's see what's this way. Our server suggested we try this way to look for more exciting things for you to see. Tempo Antiques, an art store, an alley, a little restaurant down the alleyway. This is called the front door. Wines and whiskeys. Busker brownies. Lots of bars here. Lots of food choices, that's for sure. Galway Bay Brewery. And here's another interesting looking street. What street could this be? This looks like doesn't say. Ah, this is Mangard Street. All right, let's see what's on Mangard Street. They have bikes and TFI. They look like they might be electric, but I don't think they are. Pigeons having a feast. Clouds are forming, it's getting darker. Lots of restaurants and food places here for sure. The store called The Sheep. That looks like an interesting store, doesn't it? They specialize, I guess, in sheep. Mountain Warehouse, Bank of Ireland. See where it says ATM and lodge? I didn't know what lodge meant. Lodge means apparently deposit. Traditional music. I got people enjoying the warm weather. Sadly, we don't have time to stay around for Irish music. Maybe we'll pick up some Irish music tonight in Quay. It's a little too raucous here for me. Too many people, I think. The reason why I can't relate, I shouldn't live side with you, said it to her face. Oh, save me from all the trouble and the pain. You know I'm weak, but I can't face the girl again. And tell her the reason why I can't relate. Like most of Europe, this is the way they're going now. Turning everything into a pedestrian mall.
So just as a rough. Oh, you gotta run, you gotta take cover. Oh, you come from London under.
Body shop closed. Apparently. Treasure chart's closed too, looks like. Beef and lobster. Tom Dashi. How cool is that? Let's walk this way and see what we see. This is a city that has buses. Big Don. Lots of musicians.
Next thing he came out and he said I've ordered it. Very oh my god, yeah. Yeah, just show the price.
It's nice to have the.
Oh, here's a little market. Let's check out this market and see if there's anything interesting in the market. Little tented shops.
Never meet him.
Let's see what they're selling. Okay, a little windy and chilly. Tiny Traders Village. This is called Tiny Traders Village.
Oh, I know now is what we say now is even more like
Tiny Traders. Got my euros. Joy. A lot of tiny traders doing tiny trades. Look some more. Nice bags. Coffee. Probably go for some of that. Painting. And they're selling books and papers. Coffee is very attractive. We'll get that on the way out. Thank you so much. Wood burning or wood cutting.
I think it looks good.
This is see what they have over here. Box wood turning. That looks interesting. And this, it looks like food.
Yeah, well, we hope to be back. We'll be back maybe next weekend, but definitely we'll be back.
And this is Purple Cloud Natural Lavender Oil. Very interesting product.
It's not like a day's worth of pounds.
And this gentleman is selling t-shirts. And we have fucking cream,
in the big city in general.
industry kitchen. Showing a lot of interesting products there. In the US we call this a flea market. Very small vendors. And this is in a park. Yeah.
They were gone. Yeah. So
Here's the coffee vendor.
that's okay. That makes sense.
No, there it's $3. Nice place to come on a Sunday afternoon and see what's there to be seen. Lots of people here in Galway. Just a little box of You take me. Supermax. And this looks like a taxi stop, I would say. Let's stop the video.